How to manage travel itinerary in MakeMyTrip. Managing your travel itinerary on MakeMyTrip involves using their built-in tools for both automated organizations of booking and manual customizations of holidays packaged. So what you want to do is open the MakeMyTrip app on your device, and if you've already made booking, you could access and manage them through my MakeMyTrip website as well. Or you just go to My Trips at the bottom. There, you just want to make sure to see all the confirmed flights, hotels, and bus booking in one place. Now, this section allows you to modify dates, cancel booking, or re-download e-tickets and invoices as well. You could also use the app to track live PNR status for trains or check-in for flight as well. And if you want to plan a new itinerary, you just want to make sure to use Where to Go Planner to get curated holiday ideas based on your budgets as well. And you could also customize package. That means when browsing international holiday package, you can choose Customise Travel to design your own itinerary by selecting specific hotels, adding sightseeing activities, and arranging intercity transfer as well. And this is how you're supposed to manage travel itinerary on Make My Trip. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.